1 sec. What do we look like? Your fucking taxi cab?
No, hold on.
This motherfucker's here texting.
Hey, I'm gonna start charging you. Alright, you're on the meter. Go ahead, take your time.
Keep the meter running. 1 second.
Take your time, we're on the meter. Do whatever you want.
Hey, it's for today, asshole.
Yeah, look at that chick right there. Yo, look, you got girls like this all day long. Come on, look. Look what we're passing up. Where you go? Is he going? He's gonna go.
Follow this dude. Hold up, let's follow this guy.
This guy's going. He's going for it.
No, he's not. Well, at that speed, this guy's gonna get a car before he reaches her.
Yeah, stay back a little bit. There he is. He's talking to her. He's really talking to her.
Yo, this guy.
Let's see where he goes.
Hey, I don't know. It'll make up for the wait, though.
Oh, she's actually talking to him. Hey, is he bothering you?
No.
Oh, these are my friends.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
How you
Nice
doing?
to meet you. Great.
You're just kind of awkward today.
Really? Yeah, thanks. That's nice. It's gonna be nice of her. Hey, you got a great outfit on, actually.
Oh,
It's
thank
nice.
you.
Really trendy and shit.
Yeah, the cowboy hat sets it off.
Yo, pull in the parking lot. Let's talk to her. Hey, no, it's not called a cowboy hat. What's wrong with you?
Cool.
So, where you guys, or where you headed?
I'm headed to work.
Hey, well here.
Yeah,
this
introduce
is my
us.
new friend. Her name's
Hi, nice to
you
meet
said
you
London,
guys.
right? London.
Hi, London.
London. This
My
is
name's Steve.
Steve. And then George.
My name's Steve Jordan.
Oh,
How you
Steve
doing?
Jordan. Nice to meet you. Yes,
doing?
great. My name's
Yeah.
London.
London.
Right,
That's
she
nice.
just she said she was heading to work.
Yeah.
You work around here, huh?
Yes, I do. I'm funding a starting company.
You're funding a startup company, really?
Yes. Uh-huh.
No way.
For software, yeah.
Oh, so like, what does that mean?
The smart ones.
Yeah.
just put
Blocking
you on.
traffic, bro.
Yeah, come on, let's walk up with me.
Okay.
This is a pretty cool area, right? Like,
Yeah, it's an awesome area.
Great place to start a company.
Yeah, it is. Yes.
Yeah.
A lot of big buildings, business buildings.
Business buildings, yeah. So you need money for it. You need a lot of capital for that, huh? For, you know?
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Software company. you
Yeah,
said?
I just started it 3 months ago, actually.
Oh, that's nice.
hmm
That's good.
So I'm gonna head to work now. Actually,
No.
You should take a ride with us.
no,
Get to know you a little bit.
It's all right. It's just
We
around the
do a
corner.
little TV show. It's about women and business.
It's okay. It's just around the corner.
You don't
How
wanna be
about
on
if we
TV?
offer you money?
How
Give me
much?
money.
Are we
Money.
You got money.
I'll offer you money. Cash.
It's a fast walk.
Listen, I got fast cash.
Okay.
I'm
How
not,
much are
I'm
we
not
talking?
kidding. Look,
How much are we talking?
100 bucks. Look.
Wait. Yo,
Let me count it.
What? There's like fucking $300 there. Yeah. The fuck?
Okay.
That's 100 bucks right there. And walk away with 100 bucks. That's for an interview.
Can I see an ID? To make sure
Whoa,
this is
an
like,
ID?
yeah.
Are we drinking?
Who are you guys?
The fuck?
I don't know. Let me get a government name
No,
or
you know what?
something.
You know what? Hey, let's be fair. That's she's been playing it safe. That's cool. We're not gonna badge her for that. You got an ID? Give her your ID.
Well,
Show
me
your
to get
ID.
her my ID?
Show her your ID, bro. Come on. Help out the cause here. All right, be a team player.
I don't know. I mean,
Like, is this you?
Take a look at it. Of
Yeah.
course it's him. Look, I don't care. Take a picture of
Okay.
it. Do whatever you want. Send it to your mom.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna need to send it to my
Send
mom.
it to your mom.
Tell your
if
mom
you
I
want,
said
it's
hello.
cool.
All right, she's helping with the funding company, so
Just tell her
if anything
don't
goes wrong,
Just tell her don't do a background check because you might not like what you find on it.
yeah.
we'll see what we can do. All right, there you go.
Yeah.
So when you gotta be at work, you said?
Literally 4 minutes.
Well,
probably
listen,
now.
you got my 100 bucks.
Yeah, right.
So we're gonna talk, right? You said
Okay.
little interview. It's about
All
women
right.
in business,
You can get more money.
business and women. It's for your startup company.
More money,
Get on in.
official. Okay.
Come on, get on in. Let's make
Talk
it
me
quick.
into it.